Welcome to this advanced training on SAP MD04 Personalization in 2026. In today's session, we will explore how to transform the classic stock and requirements list into a highly efficient, personalized workspace. MD04 is one of the most frequently used transactions by MRP controllers, production planners, and material planners. Yet most users still work with the standard, overloaded layout. This video will show you exactly how to customize MD04 so it matches your daily workflow, reduces visual noise, and significantly increases productivity. You will learn column management, smart filters, layout variants, exception highlighting, and best practices that leading companies are already applying in 2026. By the end of this session, you will be able to create your own optimized MD04 views and share them with your team. Let's begin and unlock the full potential of MD04. This is the classic SAP MD04 stock and requirements list. It displays the complete material availability situation for a specific material and plant. You can see plant orders, production orders, purchase requisitions, sales orders, dependent requirements, and stock levels, all in one chronological list. The standard view contains many columns: date, MRP element, received quantity, requirement quantity, available quantity, and exception messages. While this information is powerful, the default layout often feels cluttered, especially when you work with high-volume materials. In 2026, SAP continues to support both the classic GUI and the modern Fiori-inspired experience. Understanding the standard screen is the foundation. Once you know what every column and icon means, you can start removing what you do not need and highlighting what truly matters for your role. This is where advanced personalization begins. Look at this typical standard MD04 screen. Dozens of columns, mixed exception messages, long lists of MRP elements, and constant scrolling. Most planners spend unnecessary time searching for the information they actually need. Critical shortages get buried under less important data. Exception messages of different priorities appear in the same color, making prioritization difficult. This visual overload leads to slower decision-making, higher risk of missing important signals, and reduced daily productivity. Many experienced users still accept this clutter because they never learned how to personalize the transaction. In 2026, continuing to work with the default layout is no longer efficient. The good news is that SAP gives you powerful personalization tools. In the next sections, we will systematically eliminate this noise and turn MD04 into a focused, high-performance workspace tailored to your exact needs. Advanced personalization in MD04 allows every user to shape the stock and requirements list according to their specific responsibilities. You can hide unnecessary columns, reorder the most important ones, create powerful filters, save multiple layout variants, and apply intelligent color coding for exceptions. These settings can be user-specific or shared across roles such as MRP controller, production planner, or purchasing. Personalization does not change the underlying data, it only changes how the data is presented. This means you still see the complete and correct MRP situation, but in a much cleaner and faster way. In 2026, companies that invest time in proper MD04 personalization report measurable gains in planner productivity and faster response to material shortages. The following slides will walk you through each personalization option step by step so you can apply them immediately in your system. To start personalizing MD04, open the transaction and look at the top toolbar. Click the Layout or Settings icon, usually represented by a gear or the Choose Layout button. From the drop-down, select Change Layout or Manage Layouts. A new window opens where you can control columns, sorting, filters, and display options. You can also access user-specific settings through the menu Path Settings Layout Save. In the modern 2026 Fiori-style interface, personalization is even more intuitive with drag-and-drop and clear visual controls. Always work in change mode when adjusting the layout so your changes can be saved. Once you know how to open these settings, every further customization becomes simple. Take a moment to locate these icons in your own system. This is the gateway to a much more productive MD04 experience. One of the highest impact changes is column personalization. In the layout settings, you will see two lists, displayed columns and hidden columns. Simply move the columns you rarely use to the hidden side. Keep only the fields that support your daily decisions, typically date, MRP element, receipt requirement quantity, available quantity, and exception. You can also reorder the remaining columns by dragging them into the sequence that matches your thinking process. Many planners prefer available quantity near the left side so they can instantly see the projected stock situation. After adjusting, save the layout with a clear name. This single step often reduces horizontal scrolling by more than 50% and makes the screen dramatically easier to read. Column personalization is the foundation of an efficient MD04 workspace. Filters allow you to focus only on the data that matters right now. You can restrict the list by plant, MRP controller, material type, or specific exception groups. Date range filters help you concentrate on the near-term horizon, for example the next 4 weeks. In 2026, advanced selection criteria also support dynamic filters such as show only materials with negative available quantity or display only firm receipts. These filters can be saved together with your layout variant. Using smart filters prevents information overload and helps you process exceptions much faster. Instead of scanning hundreds of lines, you immediately see the critical subset. Combine filters with a clean column layout and MD04 becomes a precision tool rather than a data dump. Once you have created a useful layout, save it as a variant. Give it a clear, meaningful name such as Daily MRP Review, Exception Focus, or Long-Term Planning. You can create multiple variants for different tasks and switch between them in seconds. Variants can be user-specific or made available to all users in a particular role. This is extremely valuable for teams. A senior planner can design an optimized layout and share it with the entire department, ensuring consistency and best practice adoption. In 2026, many organizations maintain a small library of approved MD04 variants. This reduces training time for new employees and standardizes how material situations are analyzed across the company. Saving and organizing variants is one of the most practical productivity habits you can develop. Exception messages are the early warning system of MRP. In the standard display, they often look the same, making prioritization difficult. With personalization, you can apply color coding and highlighting rules. Critical exceptions such as stock below safety level or delayed receipts can appear in red. Warnings can be yellow, and informational messages green or blue. You can also sort the list so that the most severe exceptions appear at the top. Some advanced setups even allow icon customization for faster visual scanning. Proper exception highlighting dramatically reduces the time needed to identify problems. Instead of reading every line, your eyes are immediately drawn to the issues that require action. This feature alone can cut exception processing time significantly and helps prevent costly material shortages. Here you see a clear before and after comparison. On the left is a typical standard MD04 screen, crowded columns, mixed exceptions, and heavy scrolling. On the right is the same material situation after advanced personalization, only essential columns, intelligent filters active, color-coded exceptions, and a clean layout variant. The difference in readability and speed is immediately obvious. What previously took several minutes of scanning can now be assessed in seconds. This is not just a visual improvement, it directly translates into faster decisions, fewer missed signals, and higher daily output for every planner. Most users who switch to a personalized layout never go back to the standard view. The transformation is both simple to implement and highly rewarding in daily work. Companies that systematically apply MD04 personalization report measurable results. Average time spent analyzing a material situation drops by 30 to 45%. Exception resolution becomes faster because critical issues stand out immediately. Horizontal and vertical scrolling is reduced dramatically, lowering cognitive load. New team members reach full productivity sooner because they work with role-optimized views from day one. Overall MRP process quality improves as planners spend more time solving problems and less time searching for information. In 2026, leading organizations treat MD04 personalization as a standard part of planner onboarding and continuous improvement. The return on the small time investment required to set up good layouts is consistently high. These gains compound every single working day. Here are the most effective best practices for MD04 personalization in 2026. First, create role-based variants instead of one generic layout. Second, hide every column you do not actively use. Third, apply strong visual hierarchy with color-coded exceptions. Fourth, combine filters with layouts so each variant opens ready for a specific task. Fifth, document and share the best variants across the team. Review your layouts every few months as business needs evolve. Avoid overfiltering, you still need to see the complete picture when necessary. Finally, train every new planner on the personalized views from the beginning. Following these simple guidelines turns MD04 from a basic transaction into a powerful decision support tool that consistently supports high productivity and reliable material planning. You now have a complete roadmap to master SAP MD04 Advanced Personalization in 2026. Start today by opening MD04, adjusting the columns, creating your first filter, and saving a personal layout variant. Even small changes will immediately improve your daily workflow. If you found this training valuable, apply these techniques in your system and share the optimized variants with your colleagues. Thank you for watching. If you have questions on specific personalization scenarios, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical SAP S/4HANA and MRP optimization content.